just specially for us, so I thank you all. Here next then is Dan Powell.
My name's Dan Powell. I'm part of the para-judo team. I fight at under 90 kilograms. I've been part of the GB team since pre-London 2012, and I'm still here. I think the best thing about being an athlete is the way that you get to travel the world and see different cultures and different things going on in the world that you wouldn't necessarily get the opportunity to see. I absolutely love competing as well, so to be up on the the biggest stage and being able to compete for your country, it makes you feel really proud, but it's actually something I really enjoy as well. One of the things is
fucking red light runner.
From clients to colleagues to customers, understanding and connecting with people is one of the best ways to help grow your business. MailChimp helps you reach the right audience and keep them engaged with data-backed email and automations, so you know that you'll be reaching the right people with the right message at the right time.
If you want to see your clip featured on our channel, send it to us using the link in the description.
child in here.
They're flyers, I mean, people staring over. People over there are staring over.
Send your items to Vintage Cash Cow, fully insured with free postage.
Oh, look! Oh, do you see that? Oh, they're trying to crash each other. They're going to annoy each other now. No, not that bad. Oh, idiots. You just stopped. What an idiot. He's not moving, whoever that is. I'm still holding it.
He's on his phone.
I know.
Viewers of Dodgy Drivers, this is a very special message to you. Not to me, to you. Now please like the video, comment with your tweet of the week and subscribe for new videos every Friday at 4. You know it makes sense, guys, so subscribe and no slacking.